The representation of nature is a very important theme. Movie directors and authors of books use it to manipulate how a reader or viewer can feel. In the film William Wallace, Mel Gibson makes you feel a feeling of passion for the Scots, a feeling of triumph, a feeling that in this battle, in this movie, the underdog can triumph over the overdog. Mel Gibson, without really noticing it, makes you feel passionate towards the Scots cause, and positive that they can win and overcome the English. In The Passion of Christ, Mel Gibson also used the representation of the to make you feel a certain particular feeling about what's going on with Jesus. He uses examples of Jesus being persecuted ruthlessly and unfairly to make you feel sorry for them, to make you feel sorry for Jesus, more particularly for his cause and how unfair his death was. He uses the representation of nature to appeal to your greater mercy toward Jesus and feel sorry for Christ. In the representation, James Cameron's representation of nature in Avatar, not only does it include a lot of cool graphics and visual scenes, but James Cameron makes you feel that destroying nature is somewhat inherently wrong, and that it shouldn't be done. He makes you feel that even in a world of technology we live today, the forest and land is very important, and no matter what, we shouldn't be destroying it. He manipulates and pleads the viewer's cause of emotion.